What's got the crypto world buzzing this week? Big moves, big dips, and some serious questions about where we're headed. Let's break it down. First up, big news from PayPal. Their Pay with Crypto feature is a game changer, letting millions of folks spend their digital assets at checkout, just like regular money. You want to buy something online? PayPal automatically converts your crypto to fiat. No fuss. This ain't just talk. It's already happening for millions, making crypto way more useful for everyday spending. That's huge for getting crypto into the mainstream, you hear me? Now let's talk about Solana. My man Sol is at a bit of a crossroads. That meme coin craze that pumped it up, it's kind of fading, and that means less hype. Plus, we got these Alameda research unlocks. What's that mean? Well, Alameda, the defunct trading firm, has a ton of SOL tokens that are now being released onto the market. When a big chunk of tokens hits the market like that, it usually means more selling pressure. All this is putting Solana's $140 support zone to the test. A support zone is like a safety net for the price. It's where a lot of buyers usually step in to keep it from dropping further. Everyone's watching to see if SOL can hold that line. And what about Bitcoin? The big boss itself has been seeing some jitters in the market. While we're not talking $100,000 just yet, the market's been reacting to a bunch of things. Maybe some folks are taking profits after a good run, or there are those macroeconomic worries, inflation, interest rates. It's all putting a squeeze on the market, making Bitcoin take a step back from its recent highs. It just shows you even the top dog ain't immune to a little volatility. This is not financial advice. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.